Today is your last math class of the week because remember, tomorrow is a PD day. Woohoo, woohoo, not woohoo for me because I get to write your report cards. Woohoo. Maybe I'll make them creative. Today, you're basically just practicing what you already know. So we're gonna be doing more subtraction practicing, but there is this one little thing I'm adding, and that is money. So today, at the very bottom of your subtraction sheet, you might notice there are some dollar signs. So we're gonna work on subtracting money today. Let's do one together. All right, when I'm subtracting money, you can almost imagine that I don't have the decimal point or the dollar sign. We're subtracting as if they are not there, okay? So you can pretend that they aren't there. As long as you remember they are there when you have your final answer, you will need to put the answer with a decimal and a dollar sign. You know what you could even do at the start, what I like to do? I like to do decimal, decimal, put a decimal down here, just put it in line, and then dollar sign, dollar sign, dollar sign. That reminds me that I need to have those in the right places in straight lines coming down. Okay, now we just subtract in a simple, easy way. We start in our ones column as always. 5 minus 2 is 3, lovely. 7 minus 2 is, yep, Philip. Dude, seriously, Philip, you're not in this class, get out of here. Oh my goodness. You'd think he loves this class. Maybe when you come back to school, we'll have Philip in our class because apparently he can't get enough of us. Go away. We've talked about this. Okay. 7 minus 2 for people who are actually enrolled at LCA's grade 3 class. There we go. Number 5. Much better. Okay. And then 4 minus 3 is 1. So just be careful. It'll be easier on today's sheet because they are lined up nicely already. But if you're writing these down, maybe you are having a word problem, make sure that your numbers and your decimals are lined up properly so that your answer is correct. If I were to put the decimal over here, that's a different answer and it is wrong now. Okay, so instead of saying that the answer is $1.53, I'm saying it's $15.30. That's a very different answer. If I forget to put the decimal in, I'm saying the answer is $153. That's so not correct. So it's very important for you to line that up and make sure your decimal point is there. This little point in math, we don't call it a period, we call it a decimal point. Don't worry too much about that. That's more of a grade 4 thing that you're gonna work on, but for money, you need to know that it has to be there. Also, when we're talking about money, beside the decimal point, there will always be 2 numbers, okay? That's a normal money thing. That shouldn't be a big issue in your work today, but make sure that that's what's correct, that there's 2 numbers on the right side of your decimal, or something is wrong with where you put the decimal. Make sure it's in line with the others, okay? Let's take a look at the sheet really quickly and then I'll let you get off to work. Let's have a look. All right, here's your practice subtraction sheet today. They've done the first one for you, aren't you lucky? So you're gonna do your subtraction and then you'll notice the second row, it has the dollar signs and the decimals, but they're nicely lined up. So you just line up your decimal sign, your dollar sign and your decimal point with the row, okay? Then some normal ones and then some more. And then at the bottom, it just reminds you that if you're trying to check your answers, you can add your answer with the bottom number. It should equal the top number, okay? You don't have to go through and check all of your answers today, but you can if you are bored and you can if you just want to make sure you did things correctly. Have fun with this, guys. See you later.